so I can speak one more with them unique lines. If he say he can beat me, then obviously he lies.